Hello, investors and tech enthusiasts. Today is November 4th, 2025. We're examining risks to advanced micro devices after Q3 2025 earnings. Q4 guidance calls for $9.6 billion in revenue, up 25% year over year. Results first. Revenue totaled $9.25 billion, up 36% year over year. EPS reached 120, both ahead of estimates. Data center grew 22% to $434 billion on AI demand. AI sales were about $500 million, roughly 10% of the segment. Gross margin held near 54%. Free cash flow hit a record, $1.53 billion. Cash reserves are $7.2 billion versus $3.2 billion debt. Now, connecting the dots to risks that could slow momentum. Risk 1, trade and supply chain. U.S. rules limiting China shipments carry high impact with medium probability. Practically, those rules could trim 2026 revenue by 5 to 10% if tightened or prolonged. Supply is concentrated too. AMD depends on TSMC in Taiwan. Meaningful U.S. capacity doesn't arrive until late 2026. Risk 2, product launch and operations. High effect, medium chance. MI355X targets Q2, 2026, 35x faster on key tasks. Slips or yield issues could add cost and cap. 2026 AI revenue near $4 billion. Risk 3, segment mix and demand. Medium effect, high chance. Embedded softened, down 8% to $0.86 billion on inventory and China rules, while auto and industrial demand stays weak, pressuring near-term mix. Client and gaming look healthier, but both are cyclical, so strength can swing. Risk 4, stock and market setup. Medium effect, high chance. Shares are up about 110% this year, but fell 3.7% post-report, trading near $250. The PE around 45 leaves little room for misses. A shortfall could compress multiples toward Yen's 30x, implying roughly 175, about a 30% drawdown. Risk 5, macro and regulation. Lower probability but low to medium effect if it hits. A slowdown could shave 10 to 15% from tech and PC spend. Antitrust looks lighter versus larger peers. With that context, let's frame scenarios from the current setup. Base case, 60% probability. Revenue around 38B and stock in the 250-275 range. Good case, 25%. Revenue near 42 Bylar with the stock around 325. Bad case, 15%. Revenue about 32 buys and price near $188. Positioning from here, hold core shares. Consider adding below 245s and trimming above $280, adjusting for your risk tolerance. Key tells to watch. Q4 AI sales mix, ROCm adoption in new cloud projects, and China strategy via local fabs. Bottom line, expect near-term volatility, but 2026 can still be a growth year, if execution holds and trade stays stable. Thank you. Thoughts on AMD's outlook?